Hala, bet kaayo. Tagpila ka na eh. 265. Tanawa na to tong kwarta. Bipila ka atong kwarta. Na ako'y 200. So, dili siya enough. Okay. I'll buy you next time. Oh my God, episode 5 na. Ay, mo na to? 1 hour and 4 minutes. Okay. Ana si ma'am, mag-start daw og basa sa 192. Oh, it's about assessment. Okay. Hi, hello everyone. I am Colleen Perez Kiamco, a second-year social work student. Earlier, I have shown you some videos, and those videos are just proof of how we encounter numbers in our daily lives. And for that reason, I would like to have some simple tutorial that is somehow related to numbers. And that is all about the measures of central tendency. If you have the time and if you want to know more about the topic, please watch this video. Before jumping to the main topic, let us have our objectives for today's video. Number 1, to be able to introduce the measures of central tendency. Number 2, to explain the concept of the 3 main measures of central tendency. And last but not the least, number 3, to give examples for the 3 main measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency. What is it all about? If I will be the one to be asked, what will I remember the moment I hear the word or the phrase measures of central tendency? Of course, I will be automatically thinking about the words mean, median, and mode. And I'm also expecting that some of us here are thinking the same thoughts. Measures of central tendency. A measure of central tendency is also referred to as measures of central location. It's a summary measure that attempts to describe a whole set of data with a single value that represents the middle or center of its distribution. There are 3 main measures of central tendency: the mean, median, and the mode. Each of these measures describes a different indication of the typical or central value in the distribution. Let us have first the concept of the mean. Mean, or also known as the arithmetic mean, is the commonly used measure of central position. It is the sum of measures divided by the number of measures in a variable. The mean is used to describe a set of data where the measures cluster or concentrate at a point. As the measures cluster around each other, a single value appears to represent distinctively the total measures. It is, however, affected by extreme measures, that is, very high or very low measures can easily change the value of the mean. In order to find the mean of an ungrouped data, please use the following formula. For example, the data show the number of children in a sample of 6 orphanages in Davao City, and those number of children are 110, 76, 29, 38, 105, and 31. So our task here is to find the mean. How to find the mean? First, you have to identify the number of children in a sample within those 6 orphanages. And those numbers are the earlier mentioned numbers, which are 110, 76, 29, 38, 105, and 31. After identifying those, kindly add them up and divide it by 6. 6 because 110, 76, 29, 38, 105, and 31 are considered as the number of measures in a variable. After adding the 6 numbers, we can get 389 divided by 6, which results to 64.8, and that is our mean for the given problem. Next, we have the median. Median is the middle entry or term in a set of data arranged in either increasing or decreasing order. The median is a positional measure. Thus, the values of the individual measures in a set of data do not affect the length of it. It is affected by the number of measures and not by the size of the extreme values. Always remember, to find the median of a given set of data, take note of the following. First, arrange the data in either increasing or decreasing order. Second, locate the middle value. If the number of cases is odd, the middle value is the median. If the number of cases is even, take the arithmetic mean of the two middle measures. For example, the number of books borrowed in the library from Monday to Friday last week were 58, 60, 54, 35, and 97 respectively. Find the mean. So the rule is arrange the given set of data in increasing or decreasing order. Let's have the increasing order. So arrange the number of books borrowed in increasing order, which are 35, 54, 58, 60, and 97. And according to the rule, if the numbers of data is odd, then the middle value is the median. And the middle value is 58. That means 58 is our median for the given problem. Let's have our second example for our median. Cora is studying in a certain university under the program of social work, and the following are her quizzes for the second quarter: 8, 7, 6, 10, 9, 5, 9, 6, 10, and 7. Find the median. First step, all you have to do is to arrange the scores in increasing order. And the arrangement is 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, and 10. Since the number of measures is even, then the median is the average of the two middle scores. And as we can see with accordance to the arrangement, 7 and 8 are the two middle scores. So all you need to do to find the median is to add 7 and 8 divided by 2, which results to 7.5. And that is our median for the even case for the given problem. Last but not the least, let's have the concept of mode. Mode is another measure of position. It is a measure or value which occurs most frequently in a set of data. It is the value with the greatest frequency. To find the mode for a set of data, always remember the following. First, select the measure that appears most often in the set of data. Second, if two or more measures appear the same number of times and the frequency they appear is greater than any other measures, then each of these values is a mode. Third, if every measure appears the same number of times, then the set of data has no mode. For example, the shoe sizes of 10 randomly selected youth in a shelter are 6, 5, 4, 6, 4 and 1/2, 5, 6, 7, 7, and 6. What is the mode? The answer would be the mode 6, since it is the shoe size that occurred the most number of times. And it is unimodal. Second example, the sizes of 9 classes in a certain school are 50, 52, 55, 50, 51, 54, 55, 53, and 54. The answer would be the modes are 54 and 55, since the two measures occurred the same number of times. The distribution is bimodal. And that's it for today's tutorial about the measures of central tendency, wherein it entails its three main measures, namely mean, median, and mode. Always remember, these three have their own unique characteristics, wherein mean is the sum of measures divided by the number of measures in a variable. Median is the middle entry or term in a set of data arranged in either increasing or decreasing order. And lastly, mode as the measure or value which occurs most frequently in a set of data. That's it. I hope you learned something. Ciao, fellas!